What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the good, the bad, and my personal experience about the Power app. So I downloaded this app about 2 weeks ago. As you can see in my last video, so far nothing has happened, no deactivations. Getting into why this app is bad. The bad thing about the app, obviously you can get deactivated. It's a third-party app that uses Doordash's data without its authorization. With that being said, as you heard it from other YouTubers as well, if this is your only source of income, don't use the app. Be safe, because if you get deactivated, you're gonna be broke. Now, the good thing about using this app is not only the transparency, it's also because it helps you avoid rude and scammy customers. Because think about it. If somebody has the agenda of stealing the food and saying like they didn't receive the order, would they really tip you $10, $11, $12? No. So we've been having problems about customers saying they didn't receive the food when we've, delivered it to them. And so how are we supposed to combat that? From my experience of having this app so far, like, I've received nothing but polite customers. It's been easy days. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all use this app. How has it been for y'all? Have y'all seen a boatload of no tip, low tip orders, and y'all personal experiences on it? But anyways, today is Saturday. We're gonna go on a quick dash, get the cash. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, today we dashing out in Vista. Typically I'd be out on the Oceanside, but I decided to venture out to the weirdness a little bit. There's tons of restaurants around. I don't know if y'all can see. There's tons of restaurants around here, and I haven't been here in so long, so we're gonna see what type of orders we get out here. All right, you guys, our first order is gonna be a Shack's Mediterranean Bistro. The total's $12.50. Tips $8. Let's get it. All right.
Thank you so much. I got it. Oh, got it. Have a great day.
Boy, y'all, look at the size of that thick miss right there, boy. She couldn't even fit in the daggone. She couldn't even fit in the Doordash bag. Damn, boy, you thick. That's a thick ass boy.
How you doing?
What's going on, man?
Sandwiches, you can just sit them down.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Have a good one.
You too.
That Tesla was really nice. Give me like 4 or 5 years, y'all gonna catch me in a Tesla too, you know what I'm saying? Yo, it's hot as hell out here. It is hot as hell. Hot as the devil's taint out this month. Bruh, I'm gonna have to start dashing my birthday suit. I swear to you. Alright, y'all, we sitting at like $67. I'm gonna take a little dash break real quick because I'm hungry. Haven't eaten all day. We finna go get some Raisin Canes. We'll be back with the visuals. Ooh wee! Look at that. Look at that. Sheesh. Let me eat this joint real quick and we're gonna get back to business. All right, guys, we are back from our break. We just took a Wingstop order. I think it was for 2.9 miles. The actual total was $13.25 with a $9 tip. All right, y'all, I done ran into some trouble. Customer texting me saying that they were in San Jose. That's like 400 miles away.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm texting support now. We'll see what comes out of this. All right, y'all. I just talked to support and y'all won't believe this. We got ourselves some free food. Yeah, so they told me to dispose of the food and they'll just cancel the order out and give me full payout. I wish I would have knew this before I got food, but you know, I'll probably eat it later. Y'all gotta tell me, bro, has that ever happened to y'all? If you're a driver, have you ever had someone put in the wrong address and then you spoke to support and they end up canceling an order? Or what happened with it? Like, that's my first time having them just say, you know, dispose of the food and you good. Like, damn. All right, y'all, that's gonna end the dash. We made $85 in 4.9 miles. It's absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible. But you know what? We got free food. If you order off a Doordash, make sure you put the right address or you're gonna get your food eaten by me. Especially y'all that be ordering them damn filet mignons, them lobster tails, and calamari. Don't be putting the wrong address, all right? If you like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you got any questions, if you're just here to talk shit, comment down below, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.